Sa mga OFW na madalas na tayo ang may mga dalang pasalubong at mahalagang bagay na nakalagay sa ating maleta. Pero alam nyo ba guys na ganito lang pala kadali mabuksan at manakawan kapag ganito ang ating maleta? Gamit lamang ang ballpen. Panoorin nyo ito.
Ever traveling, make sure you guys are aware of how security systems in your bag can be breached, okay? A lot of people I see travel with locks on their suitcases, special combinations, but with just a pen, you are actually able to breach a suitcase's security, okay? A pen to the zipper technique has been around for tons of years, so I want to show you guys this so you guys know to look out for this, okay? The best kinds of zippers have covers over them. Okay, that's an extra added layer of security for your luggage when you're traveling for the holidays or for any occasion that may be coming up. But make sure that you guys are wary of this. I'm gonna go all the way around and watch. This once zipped up bag was opened with just a pen.
Tough luck. They're not gonna find any zippers.
Kaya guys, sa mga kapwa ko OFW ay dapat din na bumili tayo ng matibay na maleta. Dahil guys, bilang isang OFW ay investment din ang pagkakaroon ng matibay na maleta. For example, na hindi ka nga nabiktima ng pagdanakaw, ngunit kung mahina naman ang maleta na dala-dala mo, ay pwede mangyari sa'yo ito. Ngunit, kung alam natin na hindi natin afford bumili ng mamahaling maleta at mahina-hina ang maleta na dala-dala natin, ay mas maigi na ipabalot nyo na lang ito. Dahil dagdag ito sa safety at kahit ibalibag nila sa airport, ay hindi mangyayari ang ganyan sa video. Kaya wag nating masyadong tipirin ang mga bagahe natin or ang maleta na dala-dala natin, lalo na't kung mahalagang bagay at pasalubong ang laman nito.